Action. Yeah, hello everybody. Welcome to 2019. Well, my Christmas tree's gone, decorations are down. That means it's New Year. It's January, 36th of January, and I'm going to do a couple of things. I'm going to do an unboxing video and a dance video. Because I found out my Hoover was broken, so I bought a new Hoover. And here it is. I'll start to carefully drag it into here. My Hoover. Oh my goodness. Well, I did open it earlier just to make sure it was working and everything. Let's see. This thing. That's a good thing. It's a Hoover nozzle. Don't get any rude ideas. Even though it's hard to not get rude ideas. Knuckles and knuckles. Ooh, wow. I like this. It's really good. There's a car scrape each way. I like this Henry Hoover. Some more poles. I think they go like this. Yeah, it goes into there. So that's part of it. Yeah, that's part of it. Now I've got to take this one out. Oh yeah. Oops, better careful with that. That works. And this is the little bag that fills up, and there's a filter. It's a little bag. Obviously a filter. So I'll keep this on. It's got a lot of wires in this one. So that's good. So this is a really cool thing. That's the front end. I need to put the nozzle on front. No rude ideas, folks. Anyway. There we go. It's really good to look at this one. Gotta be careful plugging this in. Good thing I've got a plug over here. Well, the Christmas tree's gone. I can just use the plug on the Christmas tree. Let's put this around here. It's a bit hard to do it when it's first, but it's doable. Let's see. There you go. I think it's this way. Bear with me, only person. That's better. And then here for this. Then I'll press the on switch. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Okay, that's some question. Let's go. My tail, my tail. Okay. Wow, I'm impressed. The suction on this is... Okay. Now, I need to put some things away carefully. Because always got to keep the box. And then the first one, you got to keep the box up there, obviously. I'll just unplug it. And to do that, I got it this. And I need to turn it around something like this. It goes round and round, close that like up, that's clever. And that is definitely what I need. It's got a little hand together. Remove it somewhere. Gotta be careful though. Gotta be really careful with that. It is meant to do that, by the way. Just you go over here for now. There you go. And I'll put this over here to save keeping. Haha, that is really good. Awesome. So you got this mode for carpets. And this mode for kitchen floor, bathroom floor. Quite clever actually. I like it. And my boyfriend Random Fox suggested that, so thank you Random Fox, I love you so much. I love you so much. Oh wow. I hope I look alright. I've been sucked by the Hoover. Well, that's all good. Well now, I'll just relax. See you later. Oh yeah, where's my Christmas tree? It's not Christmas. Oh, dude. Ciao for now.